Okay, hello everybody. I did a lot of work off camera on my tabletop, my little island tabletop and stuff. So here's the finished product. It's not all the way finished. I got to put some trim down at the bottom. But I got me some power supply for so we can charge our phones and everything here and stuff. Plus my wife can put her blender and coffee maker and pressure cooker, electric pressure cooker, and everything up here on top of this. And you can plug it all in. You got your two shelves on each side. This is her design, my wife. She did all that work, all that paint work, and they were just white cabinets. She come out and did all this, so I had to do something about the top. So I took the old top off and made a new one. It's a little thicker, but it's gonna work. This is the finished product of it. Yeah, I like this part right here, where I put the legs back far enough, you know, into where my radius is sticking out. I did that on all four legs. I like that part. I like the way I done those. Now all we gotta do now is do a little trim work to it, and we done. Well, I'm done. There you go. So, if you like my channel, hit subscribe, thumbs up on what you like to see, and everything else. I try to do a variety of stuff on there. But here lately I ain't been doing nothing. In fact, a little life got in the way. Ain't done no work. So, there it is. This is it. And this is the new table. Got to fix some leg things. Got to fix some chairs. I was going to just buy some chairs, but I got some chairs that we've had left over and got a design to them. They got this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a stool, put a Lazy Susie on them, and mount the chair right straight to the stool. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try that. That's one of my next projects, to make chairs for it. Now, I got some, but they're old metal chairs, but I like these wooden ones. And this is something I picked up yard sale, you know, because I like the design here. I like all this design of this. So, picked these up at the yard sale, and I'm going to try to make some raised chairs for it. So I'm going to try to make some raised chairs for it. But that's what it looks like. It's not perfect. I didn't want it perfect. I kind of wanted to give it the old, what do you call it, log cabin style look to it. Something that you just go out here and cut a tree down and make. That's what we both decided we wanted to do. So that's what we come up with. And I like it. I like it more than I thought. It looks great to me. Y'all come back and see me. Check me out. Hit subscribe. Like I said, I don't post all the time, so your email won't get bombarded with a bunch of stuff and everything else. You click that little bells for notifications. But just subscribe to my channel and help me out. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all come back now.